Hello and welcome to another Shuup video. Today we're going to see how our data importer tool works. You can find it in Sandbox 3, in Settings. Let's scroll down. There it is, Data Import. And we start with importing the language. We have English as a default language here, but you can choose any language that is applicable to your shop, or you can choose multiple languages. Next step is importer, and I have vendor product importer because if there is no vendor associated with the product, it will not be visible on the site. Next step, you upload the Excel file with your products. I filled out a sample Excel file. Let's look at it. First item is SKU, which is the unique identifier of the item. We recommend that you write it as a slug and you don't have any spaces between the words and symbols. I used hyphens and an underscore. Then you have name of the product. They don't have to be unique, but we recommend that they are because then it's easier to deal with them. And you write a description. Then you assign a price, and you assign the price for the item in the currency that is applicable to your shop. And then we have the text class. So you assign text class to the item. And then primary category and categories. Once your Excel file is complete, you upload it here. There we go. Next step is images. And assigning images is very simple. First, you upload them to the media browser, and then within the cell that you want to assign the image, you put the name. And the last step is related objects. It's preferable to use object IDs. It's more reliable. To get the IDs for the objects, contact your project manager at Shuup. Let's click Continue. And here you can check all the information that you uploaded from the Excel file. Now, import method. We have three. First one, allow create and update. It will create new products and update the ones that exist. Second one, only create, no updates. It will only create the new products and will not update the existing ones. And the last one, only update existing ones, will not create the new products. Once you check the information and you confirm that this is indeed what you wanted it to be, you start import. If you have any questions, you can contact us at contact@shuup.com. Or if you're an existing client, you can reach out to your project manager. Thank you for watching this video.